Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing eyebrow and eyelash tinting. Yeah, you'll see how it goes, so let's get into it. Alright, so I just took a shower. I need to put my hair up, get it out of my face, and then we can get started. I don't have any makeup on, my face is totally clean, I just washed it. And I'm really excited and kind of nervous about this. I've never tinted my brows before. Hold on just a sec. I washed my face so it's totally clean and ready for the brow tint. Oh my gosh, I have not tried this before. I'm really excited but kind of nervous. I hope it goes well. I've always wanted darker brows and darker lashes. I'm also doing my lashes, but I just never got around to trying this out, so I thought I would do it for you guys today as well. So my hair is up, my face is clean, I have all the stuff I need, so let's get started. Okay, so we have the Godefroy, I think that's how you say it, tint kit for spot coloring, and then I got the shade light brown. That's the lightest shade they had. I figured it would be okay. It comes with 20 pre-measured color capsules. It has the developer, it comes with an applicator brush, a mixing cup, and the instructions. So I haven't opened this yet, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it has this little brush it comes with. We have the developer, the capsules. It comes with this little, mixing bowl, cup, whatever. It's really small. And then I think it's just the instructions. So, let's get started. Alright, so one capsule is one application. And then it says to take this, put it in the mixing bowl, and then have your developer and do equal parts. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and take the little brush it came with and mix my concoction up with the end of it. So this is what it looks like after you are done mixing. I think it looks like a pretty good consistency. I didn't actually measure it out, I just eyeballed it, but I think it looks pretty good. So I also have cotton pads to take it off when I'm done later. And then I have some Q-tips to clean up if I need to. And then you can use like Vaseline or something. Or I am using some chapstick that I have just to put around the areas on your skin so it doesn't stain your skin where you don't want it to. Alright, so these are my eyebrows and eyelashes before. They're pretty light. But my hair is darker, so that's why I wanted to try this out. So it says processing time takes 1 to 2 minutes. So then it's probably going to be around the time that I apply it. I also have a spoolie, and I'm just going to be using one of my mirrors to test it out. I'm going to dip this in here, get it coated nice and well. We'll see how this goes. So I'm just going to start off with like a light layer, trying to outline where I want it. Alright, so I'm going to go take this off and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is one brow done. This is not what I thought. This is not light brown. This is more like medium brown, I feel like. I'll have to like use my red eyebrow powder to kind of make it a little more my color. But I think it'll be fine. Like, it definitely colored it, it filled it in, and it's totally dry. It's totally on there, so I think it'll be okay. I will go ahead and do the other eyebrow off camera and then come back for my lashes. Alright, so this is not what I was expecting at all. They are way darker. This is totally not light brown. I think I can make it work once I put my red eyebrow powder in, hopefully. But they're so flipping dark. So hopefully they kind of fade within the next few days. Because they're really dark. So now I'm going to move, which I'm fine if I have that for my eyelashes, but my eyebrows are just so dark. These are not light brown at all. But it did do a good job of coloring them, which I do appreciate. Yeah, this is not light brown. So maybe next time I will get a different brand and try that one out and see how it goes. To find more of the right tone for my hair. So now moving on to my eyelashes. So for my eyelashes, I'm just going to take a Q-tip and some of my lip balm and put it around my eyes on my skin where I don't want it to stain my skin. And I'm going to be very careful, and then I'm also going to use my spoolie to brush them on. So we'll see how this goes. So far, I would give this a no just for the color. It did do a good job of coloring my eyebrows, but I'm a little disappointed and I don't know what I feel right now. Okay, so now that we are all done with the eyebrows and the eyelashes, I will give you my thoughts and review on this. Okay, so for the eyebrows, they are way too dark. Oh my gosh, this is not a light brown at all. This is like, I don't even know, a medium to dark brown, I would say. At least it looks like it on me, it does. But it did do the job and it did color my brows, so I'll give it that. And it did do my eyelashes some, not like super opaque, but it did give a little more color to them because my eyelashes are like super like red blonde. Overall, I would say that this product for the Godefroy brand or whatever it's called, I would give it a no because of the color is totally off. That is not a light brown at all. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe, you know, if you have lighter hair or red hair, you can get an idea of what it will look like on you. I would not recommend it, but that is just me because I do not like how dark they are. So yes, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I post at least once a week, maybe 2 to 3 times a week depending on what's going on. But I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!